Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and this is Family Tech 101. And in my hand right now I have the Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD. It's a high-speed solid-state drive, external one that is a little bit rugged. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and setup on the Mac and how to format it so you can back up your files and data. So hope you enjoy the video and let's get going. First thing here, I'm just gonna get my knife over here and just cut the seal and see what's inside the box. And let's take a look here real quick. And as you can see here, there's the hard drive and a bunch of I'm assuming, yeah, warranty guide and stuff like that. And what you get inside the box is you get the USB-C cable. And since I have a MacBook, I'm not gonna need the adapter. So it's a very short USB to keep in mind. And there is the adapter to Type A. So if I can just plug it like this, basically it becomes a USB-A adapter. I really don't need it. I have a Type C on my Mac, and this is the hard drive. Let me just take this out, just give you a closer look on it. And as you can see, it's fairly nice, soft text hard drive. It's fairly small. As a comparison, I'll just put it here next to my watch. As you can see, it's not too big. The reason I picked up this one in particular, I wanted something that I can extend my MacBook hard drive. It's fairly low. This is a terabyte, and I can make videos or put anything on it really if I want to do. So it's really simple as just plug it in, and let's plug it to the MacBook over here, and we'll see what it prompts us on the screen. I just plugged it in. So guys, after you plug in your hard drive, you'll in this case the Mac just read it right away, so it's right here. It comes with a couple of applications you can also install. I personally don't think you need to, so I'm just gonna delete them over here. So you just remove them and just put them on desktop here, for example. It's fairly portable hard drive and straightforward. If you do want to install it in a different type of format on your Mac, you can just go to disk utility over here, and you can see the hard drive is right there. And right now it's a 1 terabyte hard drive, and it's basically empty. I have the whole terabyte ready to go. But if I wanted to partition it or wanted to, let's say, to format it in a different format, I can just hit erase over here, and I can select what kind of files I want to do. So the best thing is to keep it on exFAT, because that basically makes it readable on both Mac and Windows, just in case you want to take those files to a Windows machine. Because if you do, let's say, format it in a Mac OS extended journal, that means Windows machines won't be able to read the files on it. So I'll just keep it at exFAT, which is the best option in this case. Obviously, if you don't want to have if you don't have a Windows machine or don't have anything like you're going to be plugging into other than your Mac, it's good to have it on Mac Extended Journal, just because it makes it a little bit more reliable and, sorry, not reliable, I would say more secure and, I mean, faster for your Mac to access. That said, that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to keep this very light. I'll just give you another look at the hard drive. And remember, guys, whenever you want to take out your hard drive, you just hit the eject button and it should be fine. And I'm just gonna unplug it over here. As you can see, it's plugged into my Mac. And yeah, that's it. So that's how it looks like. Again, fairly portable and small. I really hope you guys liked the video. If you have questions, let me know. I got this hard drive from Best Buy at $120 Canadian plus tax. It's fairly reasonable price. I mean, it's not the cheapest, because this is a little bit rugged, as you can see here on the box. That does say it is water resistant. I mean, I wouldn't test it personally, but it's better than having no rating at all. And this can take some shocks, so it's shock absorbent. Obviously, any hard drive is not recommended to drop, and because at the end of the day, data is stored inside the chips. You might damage them when you drop it. As you can see, in terms of compatibility, it will run on Windows 7 too. So even if you have an older machine that's running Windows 7, it should be fine as well. and it's compatible with Type-C, as you saw in my Mac, and you can always use the adapter to plug it to Type-A as well if you don't have Type-C on your computer. Yeah, otherwise everything seems to be in shape. There's nothing else in the box, and well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video, and hope to see you on the new one. Thank you.